Kids and cadets, welcome back to Tommy Time. Thanks for coming out. I recently picked up 10 units. I went out to 2 of my scrappers to pick, 6 up from them, and I had 4 delivered to me. So I've been busy trying to troubleshoot these things, and I've been fixing a few of them one at a time. Kind of getting overloaded with mowers that need work. So let's go over this batch of 3 that I picked up. We got a Briggs & Stratton here. It's a 2007 model year with the Quantum style engine. It's probably a 675, I'm guessing. Stickers missing, front wheel drive. The issue that I had seen with this one initially is the safety brake cable rusted up at the handle, so I got a vice grip here clamping down the linkage. So let's try this one. If it doesn't start, we'll happy juice it. I got some Super Tech Wally World carb cleaner here today. The Nitro's on vacation. It'll need a new pull cord that's been bleached out, sun faded, and it's frayed. So we're looking at a safety brake cable, a new pull cord, and probably a carb clean. Let me juice this one. Tank is empty. Hopefully there's no hairline cracks in it. That would upset me. So needs a new air filter. As you can see, this one's well used. Had a big thunderstorm come through. It's been raining for the last 2 hours. It just stopped, so I figured I'd knock this video out. Hear the thunder in the background. We're going to get some rain again. This is a 2013 Murray with a 4.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton. This came to me with the handle folded down, and the safety brake cable was severely rusted. I lubed it up, but it's still kind of stiff. I think it's good enough to try starting, but I'm going to have to replace the safety brake cable. It sat outside and got severely rusted. So let's just try priming this 2013 and see what we get, and then we'll happy juice it as necessary. Nearly full tank and no rat damage to the tank. Feels like good compression. Let's happy juice it. We need a new air filter. Looks like crumb cake. Okay, let's try it. Okay, the 2013 Murray just needs a carb clean. So we got a Toro recycler here, last but not least. As you can see, the carburetor's missing. It appears Harvey, the homeowner, took it off, couldn't put it back together, threw everything in the trash. I'm assuming this was all that was at the street. The scrapper said no other parts, so I'll have to scrounge up a carburetor, air filter backing plate, and a cover for this thing. The linkage and spring are still there for the carburetor. So we can still try this thing and see if it'll fire off. We'll just direct inject into the cylinder. So this is a 2017 Toro, as I mentioned. The model number 20377. So if I've got to order some parts, I can use that model number. I may even have a dead 675 around that I can snatch all the necessary parts off of. So this is in good shape overall, this 2017. Cables are not rusted. Drive cable and safety brake cable are in good condition. Great tread on the front wheel drive. Wheels. So this is just a carburation issue, replacing the carburetor, and I'll be good to go. So this fine beauty will fix up nicely. Too bad he didn't leave all the parts in a box on top of the unit. I could put it all back together again. As always, I appreciate you coming out. I'll have some more videos for you this week.